Welcome to the video. Today, I'll be discussing the strategies and tips to turn a recession into a financial opportunity. In a time of economic uncertainty, it is obvious for us to be worried about our financial future. But what if I tell you that recessions can also be an opportunity to get rich? That's right, today I'll be showing you how to get rich from the recession. Without taking more time, let's dive in. Understanding the recession. First, let's understand what a recession is and why it's important to take advantage of it. A recession is a period of economic downturn characterized by decreased spending, lower consumer confidence, and high unemployment. During this time, businesses often struggle to grow or sustain, and people lose their jobs. Recession can be triggered due to multiple reasons. For instance, a prolonged period of sluggish economic growth and declining consumer spending can lead to a recession. Or a sudden increase in interest rates can slow down consumer spending and investment, leading to a recession. Few other reasons could be like uncontrolled inflation that can erode consumer purchasing power, resulting in a recession. Or political instability and uncertainty can cause investors to pull back, and that can lead to a recession too. Strategies for building wealth during a recession. Now that we have a basic understanding of what a recession is, let's dive into the 5 strategies or tips that you can use to build wealth, or at least have some cushion so that you don't feel financially stressed during recession. Number 1. Investing during a recession. In a recession, the stock market is usually hit hard, and this creates opportunities to invest in stocks at a lower price. Companies that were previously overvalued now become undervalued, and this presents a great opportunity for long-term investments. However, it's important to understand that investing in the stock market carries risk. So, don't just blindly invest, make sure to do your research and invest in companies with a solid track record and strong financials. It's also a wise decision to diversify your portfolio by investing in different investment types, industries, sectors and geographies, to reduce risk. You can also invest in mutual funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, which invest in a variety of stocks, bonds, and other securities, providing you diversification out of box. Number 2. Look for opportunities in declining industries. As part of this strategy, the basic principle is to identify declining industries and look for opportunities to invest or start a business in those industries. When the economy is in a recession, certain industries are likely to suffer. For example, the travel and tourism industry has been hit hard by the recent pandemic-triggered recession. At the same time, some industries are likely to thrive during a recession. For instance, the healthcare and technology industries have seen significant growth during the pandemic. Here are some tips to identify these opportunities. 1. Do market analysis. Start by researching different industries and their current state. Look at data on industry growth, revenue, and employment trends. Pay attention to news articles and reports on the state of the industry, as well as the broader economy. 2. Build and leverage your network. Network with people in the industries you are interested in. Talk to industry experts, entrepreneurs, and business owners to get their insights and perspectives. This will give you an opportunity to look for areas in the declining industry where there is a gap in the market or a need that is not being met. Number 3. Reduce debt, or at least your rate of interest. During recessions, the cost of borrowing money is usually low. So use this opportunity to pay off high-interest debt such as credit card balances or personal loans. This also means that it's an excellent time to refinance your mortgage or take out a loan to start a business. This will free up money for investment and increase your net worth and financial stability. But it's essential to use this opportunity wisely and not fall into the trap of taking on too much debt. It's also a good idea to start saving more money. This will give you a financial cushion in case you are impacted by recession. It is advised to keep 3 to 6 months of your running expenses as an emergency fund, which becomes more critical during recession. Make a budget and stick to it. Look for ways to cut back on expenses and save systematically. If you are interested in saving and benefits of preparing budget, you can check by clicking the icon on top right corner. Number 4. Upgrade your skills and be job ready. Upgrading your skills and being job ready is highly crucial during recession. With a struggling economy, job losses and increased competition for limited jobs. Having in-demand skills can give you a competitive edge in the job market. It will keep you in job market and will help you sustain the source of your income during tough times of recession. Here are some tips to keep you updated with latest skills in your industry. 1. Identify in-demand skills. The first step to upgrading your skills is to identify the skills that are in high demand and are in your field or industry. You can research job postings and read industry reports to get a sense of what skills employers are looking for. Focus on those that are in demand as well as aligned to your career goals. 2. Get certified or take courses. Once you have identified the skills you want to develop, consider getting certified or taking courses to develop those skills. This can be a great way to demonstrate your expertise and commitment to your field and will help you get hired quickly. Online courses and certifications are widely available and can be completed at your own pace, making it easier to fit them into your busy schedule. You may use Skillshare, Udemy or Khan Academy. There are so many online options. Even YouTube is a great and free platform to learn something new. I have personally used Skillshare and would highly recommend it. I have shared links in description to few of my favorite skill learning apps. Feel free to use them to sign up for free or get some discount. Number 5. Start a side hustle. Side hustle is a good way of earning some extra money with your hobby or existing skills, and that becomes more important during recession time. While thinking to start a side hustle, you should consider these points. 1. Identify your passion and skills. The key to a successful side hustle is finding something you're passionate about and have the skills that you can utilize. This could be a hobby or something you've always wanted to try. If you start something just for the sake of money and you don't have interest in that, it won't last long. 2. Be consistent. As it won't be your full-time job, you need to put in extra effort to be consistent. Have a regular schedule to work on it, like you can spend your weekend or you can think of spending 2 to 3 hours every alternate days, whatever works for you. The idea is to remain disciplined, else your side hustle won't grow and you may get discouraged after some time. 3. Do have a plan or strategy. Have some rough idea about how you will grow your side business. Plan about funding, execution and marketing, as all these are crucial to grow any business, even if it's a side business. Internet being the core part for most of us, provides us a lot of opportunities to start something online. For instance, you can produce and sell digital products, like website templates, e-books or an e-commerce drop shipping store, etc. With fast-moving space of artificial intelligence, starting an online business is becoming much simpler. With this we come to the end of this video. Let me quickly summarize the points that I covered, so that we can review all the points quickly. I shared what 5 things you can do during recession to make yourself rich or at least not financially stressed, and those are: 1. Do wise investment during recession. 2. Look for opportunities in declining industries. 3. Reduce debt or at least lower your rate of interest. 4. Upgrade your skills and be job ready. 5. Start a side hustle. I hope you find this video valuable. If so, please like and share this video. Also do subscribe to my channel and click the notification icon, so that you get notified whenever I publish more videos. Also please drop your comments in comment section to let me know your thoughts and what other topics you want me to cover in future. Thank you for watching this video.